my hot iced pumpkin pie spiced latte. Look how delish. And my favorite mug. Here's how you make it. Not even 2 minutes. A couple shots of espresso mixed in my regular hot coffee. I used pumpkin pie spiced 0 sugar creamer. I put some aside and I used my frother, and I mixed a little bit of the pumpkin pie spiced creamer in a cup, and I frothed it, dumped it in. Then I sprinkled these cool pumpkin pie Lily's chips, and then I sprinkled some pumpkin pie spice on top, and I used some pumpkin pie whipped dairy topping that I just got at my local Aldi's, and voila, I'm gonna go enjoy this now.
Dope boy, dope boy, dope boy. All I wanna be was a dope boy. I only look around on a dope boy.